Welcome to Wisdom Academy of IT YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Maven 3.8 on Windows 11. We can download the software from maven.apache.org website. I will download the zip version and unzip it into my local location. We need to config Maven inside our environment variable on Windows. Let's see how to do that. Now I'm going to copy this folder into my safe location. This folder should not be able to delete after Maven configuration. Now we need to copy Maven root folder path and go to environment variable. You can give any name for environment variable name. Let's give as Maven home. Variable value should link to the Maven root folder path. Path configuration is very important, same as Java configuration. If you config this way, you can change Maven version in any time. Now configuration is done. Let's verify our configuration. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.